What's up guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I'm going to be showing you the hidden eco mode in the 2019 C43 AMG. I've got mine right behind me here and we're going to jump in the car and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So let's jump in. Right, before I show you how to access the hidden eco mode, I'm just going to tell you how it works. So if you own a pre-facelift C-Class or C43, you'll know that in the drive selector, there is a efficiency mode. Some regions might not have this in the AMGs. Some regions just don't have this, they have nothing. But in the facelift models, it's been completely replaced with something called Slippy. Now, Slippy is a new driving mode that they introduced in AMG models only, and it's designed to improve your driving in snow and rain, as the title suggests. It's a decent driving mode. What it does though is it doesn't actually do what the eco mode used to do. Rather instead, it keeps the gears very, very high and it reduces the power of the car. Now, we tested this, and in one of my older videos, which I'll link up here, I did a 0 to 60 time comparison in all driving modes, and the Slippy mode performed much less than the other drive modes. So if you want to see that, check that video out, I'll put it up there. But now let's get back onto the efficiency mode or the eco mode. So how does it work? Well, firstly, yes, it does keep the gears high so that you're constantly in a high gear when you're cruising to keep the RPMs low and your petrol consumption down. But what it also does is it has this gliding feature that Mercedes have been doing for a while now. And what it does is if you're accelerating and you're driving hard, say on the freeway or the motorway, if you let go of the accelerator, the car will go into what's called a glide mode. Now in the older models, a little boat icon would appear on the screen so you knew you were in that mode, and you would see that your gears would disengage and your RPM would go all the way down. So this works exactly the same in the facelift model, but for some reason the mode has been removed from the dynamic selector. But you can build it, and I'm going to show you how to build it now. Okay, so here's how we set the config up. So drive is set to reduced, of course. Then transmission is set to drive. That's manual or drive. That's basically automatic transmission. We want automatic transmission because it's going to be using the gearbox. Suspension you can set to absolute your liking. I have it in comfort mode because I like to be comfortable when I'm cruising for eco. But you know, if you want, you can have a bit more of a rough ride with sport, or you can have a more rough ride with sport plus. Completely up to you. Exhaust system, well, again, you can have what you want here, balanced or powerful. I, of course, love powerful because I like the valves open. Even if I'm just cruising, I love listening to the engine because it sounds fantastic. Then you've got your ESP, which is your electronic stability program. So traction control, very important. I would have this on. There's no reason to have it off when you're doing eco driving, but you know, you can have it off and it still will work. So really the main one here is just the transmission and setting the drive to reduced. As soon as you set that drive to reduced, it automatically adds in that gliding. Now you don't get that gliding function in Slippy, so this is a great alternative if you want that eco mode. So there we have it guys, that is how you set up the eco mode in this car. Now, if you're curious to what mile per gallon you can get, it's actually quite impressive. I made a video some time ago where we tested this drive mode out. Basically what I did was I drove to work in normal driving modes, mixture between comfort and a little bit of sport plus, and I tracked my mile per gallon. Then I did the exact same journey using eco mode the entire journey, and the results were pretty good. You can check that video up there. I'll pop it up there. Oops. Yeah, you can check that video. I'll pop it up there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have you guys used eco mode in your cars? I'd love to hear it. Please post a comment, let me know. Also, what's the best mile per gallon you've managed to get from a C43 AMG if you're one of the lucky owners? I know I've got quite a lot of owners who follow the channel, so I'd love to hear your best mile per gallon. But yeah, brilliant stuff guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, and you know, if you want more great content on the C43 and other great car stuff, then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.